Check out this 2009 Nissan Maxima. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine driven by an automatic transmission, stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Let the outside in with a built-in sunroof. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Call today to schedule a test drive.